What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Mr. Reg, and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, obviously we're in the LS400, man. And today, as y'all can see by the title and the thumbnail, I will be getting my alignment and getting brand new tires in the front. So it's about that time. As I told y'all in the last video, the tires in the front are bad, and you could tell why they're bad is because of a bad alignment. So we're gonna go get the car aligned first, and then we're gonna get the tires put on. So I'm gonna be vlogging this whole process, so y'all definitely stay tuned on to this video. Just pulled up to city alignment, so we're gonna get this alignment done, and then we're gonna go right across over there, see America's Tires to see if they have those tires. If not, then we might have to go to a different America's Tires. So, but let's start off with the alignment.
Look, I'm a rock star in real life. We was doing Grand Theft Autos, hitting lakes, home invasions. It was a good night. Take the goods to the plug, then he bring us back about 2K. Feeling like a baller, see the Jordan on my shoelace. Nuketown, stepping off buses, hopping on fences. Call of Duty, me and my we in the trenches. Camping at the crib, playing true crime LA. Santa Dre's nice, bumping Ice Cubes, good days. Such a 90s baby though. If we grind it, then we grind it, man. I feel like Tony Hawk. And my homies got the iron, man. They feel like Tony Stark. And you better watch your head, cause it get wicked up the door.
I gotta replace that tail light. Look at the legs going up, man. Finally getting that alignment done. I needed it. I can honestly tell that the alignment was off because the wheel was slightly going to the right. And like I said, I don't know if I showed y'all the tire. I'm gonna show y'all the tire when I get out of here, just so you know that, yeah, I needed alignment bad. But I'm glad I'm getting this done because I know the car is gonna ride really, really good now. But I really can't wait to get the tires and just see how this car is gonna drive, because I ain't gonna lie, y'all, last night when I had got the car back from the shop, I was in it from probably like 4:30 all the way until like 1:30 in the morning, all the way to 1:30 in the morning. I was in that car pretty much all day, and I fell in love with it. I can't even lie, I fell in love with the car. I got so many plans that I want to do with the car now, man. It's like, I don't know, bro. Like, I honestly see why people love the LS400. It's like, I wasn't really a believer before I had got one, but now I'm a believer. I really do love this car. Ain't no, like, I'm not gonna lie, the G35, the G37, the Legend, it doesn't drive like this car right here. It does not drive like the LS400. Like, that car is really smooth. The suspension is good. And it's like, man, you know, I was just cruising, you know what I'm saying? Like, that's really like my cruiser. I was hitting like 85, 90 in it, like, with no problems. The engine is hecka quiet. The car is quiet, but you already know we gonna turn it up. But I'll let you guys know that in what are my plans video. It's probably gonna be dropping next after this video. I'm not too sure, so don't quote me on that. But you guys are gonna know everything I plan on doing with the LS400. But it's gonna be a lot, man. Like, I really do love this car. And oh, also I had got like 10 compliments yesterday. I got like 10 compliments, not the G37, the G35, or the Legend. I never really got as much compliments as I did with that car in just one day. And then the dude at the small shop actually wanted to buy it. He was like, bro, how much you trying to sell this for? I'm like, nah, bro, I just bought it. I just got out the shop. I don't think I'm never selling this car. I don't think I'm never selling this car. It's like, it's really like the perfect car. And it's like, I really can't wait to do what I really want to do with it. And I know it's gonna be crazy, man. I just keep on looking at it, bro. Like, all right, y'all, alignment is all done. As y'all can see, this is why I needed alignment. Look at this. Look at the sidewall, how low this tire is. And this is why I'm going to get tires today too. So the alignment is done. Now we're gonna be on our way to go get the tires. And I had to take a couple of pictures because, man, just look at this car, man. I really done fell in love with this car. I can't get enough of this car. My boy B telling me not to daily drive it, but this car too clean for me not to daily drive it, and too comfortable for me not to daily drive it. But as y'all can see, this is the alignment. This is what it was before, and this is how it is after. So alignment is all taken care of. I'm about to call this tire shop because unfortunately this tire shop over here don't have the tires. Well, they have one, but they don't have two. So I'm gonna have to call this tire shop and see if I can get it in today. Hopefully I can get it in. I called this other tire shop. They're talking about like a 3-hour wait because they're short staffed. And I'm like, nah, I just need to get in and get out because I got stuff to do. So I'm about to call this other tire shop. Hopefully we'll be dropping it off there. And then, yeah, so let's get to it. All right, y'all, just pulling up to the tire shop right now. Gonna get the tires for the Lex, as y'all can see. So let's see how much we'll be paying for these tires, man. Yeah, I'm back in the Ls400, man. We got the tires, we got the alignment. Woo! Spent some money. So I spent $80 on alignment and $251 for 2 front tires. I'm gonna show you guys the tires, and I'm also show you, like, you know, the brand that I went with and how much it costs and all that stuff. So, but what I want to say is that the car is riding a lot smoother than it was before, for sure. Like, it feel like a lot more stable, and it's just a smooth ride. Man, those other tires, man, you could feel that they was worn out. Like, you know, if you got some worn out tires. So obviously I needed to go ahead and change them because y'all already seen them. But I'm happy that I got the tires, I got the alignment, but I'm glad I got the timing belt. I got the water pump, I got dry belts, I got the whole evap system done. They put a stop sign right here. Nobody ain't stopping right here. I got the radiator done, new cap, new hoses. So I did a lot of stuff with this car already in the short time that I had it, within only a week, bro. I ain't gonna lie, only a week. And I believe the only thing I got left now is brake. I do see that the tail light is out. But besides all that, the Ls400 is coming along, man. Really happy about the progress. And it's only gonna get better in the future, man. Like, I really ain't got no music in this car, man. That's what really kind of make me mad, because y'all already know. If you know me and you've been subscribed to my channel for a minute, you know that I love music, man, and it irks my nerves when I don't have no music in the car. So I'm just over here riding in silence. And then on top of that, what makes matters even worse, I lost my AirPod case. You know what I'm saying? So I'm down bad right now, man. I ain't got no AirPods. I ain't got no music. My phone about to die. My camera about to die. I'm just doing bad right now. I'm about to go ahead and get ready to pull up in this parking lot so I can show y'all what tires I went with. And don't judge me either. Please don't judge me, because a lot of y'all might say, why would you go get those cheap tires? Why would you do that? It's because I'm not gonna tell y'all everything, but just know it's about to be big changes with the LS coming really, really, really soon. So it didn't really make sense for me to go out and buy some expensive tires. So, well, at least not to me. But y'all find out in the next couple of videos on what I'll be doing to the LS. So definitely stay tuned to that video. But let me go ahead and find like somewhere to park. So as y'all can see, man, tire got hella meat on them. We good. Little Century tires, I believe they called. But I also want to show y'all underneath the hood, because I didn't show y'all in the last video. The Ls400, man, got a lot of work done. And it's quiet too. This car is really quiet. As y'all can see right down there, man, all that's oil, caked up oil. So I definitely got to get that done ASAP. But I'm happy how this thing came along. Y'all see the new radiator right there too. So timing belt replaced at 200,000 miles. So I ain't got to worry about a timing belt for like, I believe another 90K. But let's go ahead and show y'all the tires real quick that I got. So I had bought these right here, $77 each, and the total came up to $251. Yeah, man, I just bought these, man. I ain't really worried about spinning a grip on tires just yet. Y'all gotta watch the What Are My Plans video, because like I said, I'm about to do a lot of stuff to this LS, so y'all definitely gotta stay tuned. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, go ahead and leave me a like. If you haven't, go ahead and subscribe right now. A lot more LS content coming very, very soon. Like I said, y'all need to be anticipated on What Are My Plans with the LS, because we're finna go crazy this year. We still got the G35. We got the Legend, but I'm kind of on the fence with the Legend. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm kind of on the fence with the Legend just because I got the LS. But like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, go ahead and leave me a like. Go ahead and subscribe. Especially if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, comment, all that. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.
Look,